Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new, you're highly welcome. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very simple remedy that would help you to increase that fatness around your backside. This is actually going to be concentrated to those places in which you want fat to be, or fat is supposed to be naturally. So it's comprises of the one you rub on your backside, and it also comprises of the one you drink, which is very healthy. So if you want to know what all of this is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share the video. Alright guys, without further ado, let me take you right into this video. So with this, you can get that robust backside, and you can get some of those fats at the right places. So you need this is bitter cola. So it's actually very easy to find. I don't know where you are, but bitter cola is really easy to find around here in Africa. So because we actually use it really like literally every day. So this is how I'm going to be preparing this. Okay, now you have to watch this video to the end, because I have 2 steps in which you're going to get those robust backside and get fat at the right places. At the front side and at the back side, you get that fat. Okay, so you watch as I prepare. Now the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to be peeling this bitter cola. It's actually very simple to peel. Alright, so I'll have to be needing just 2 of those bitter cola. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be creating it. You can actually blend it if you have a smaller blender. Okay, for now I don't have a smaller blender, that's why I'm actually creating it. So you can just cut it into pieces, and then you put it into a blender and you blend it all out. Alright, so after you've blended or after doing that, then I'll have to be turning that into this bowl. So the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to be needing to use shea butter. So in this particular step, we're actually going to be applying it on the skin, so you can actually apply it on your backside. So we're going to be needing shea butter to mix this bitter cola, and it's going to give us the utmost result. So I'm going to be taking a little quantity of the shea butter. Okay, then we'll mix it up. Now I'm going to be using a double boiler method, okay, to dissolve this. So I'm going to be pouring in hot water. However you can dissolve this, guys, it's perfect. It's up to you to just dissolve it. So after that, then I would have to stir. So you have to stir as you dissolve so that the bitter cola can actually mix very well into with the shea butter. It will mix really well. So I'll just continue stirring while it dissolves. I'll leave it for some few minutes and I'll be back to show you how it is. Alright, so it has actually dissolved pretty well. This is how it looks like. Yeah, if you had blended your bitter cola, it would have been looking really watery more than this, but because I created it, that's why it looks like this. So I'm actually going to be keeping it for a little long while before using it. So I'm actually going to be telling you how you're going to be using this, so keep on watching. Okay, so now the next ingredients we're going to be making use of is going to be banana. Now, if you want to get a very healthy fat, you have to cultivate the habit of using banana. Now, banana does not actually really make you really robust, but it gives you that fat at the right places, yeah, and it makes you really full, avoiding to, you know, take unnecessary junk food and stuff. And you know, with the ingredients that I'm also going to be showing you, applying it and all of that is going to give you that utmost results. So what we're going to be needing, we're going to be taking just a few of this banana. I'm not going to be needing so much because I don't want to take too much, but you can take as much as you want. It is up to you. Okay, now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be needing a blender, and then I'm going to be opening up this green banana into the blender. Okay, the thing is that we usually have more green banana here than the usual color that you know. So I'm gonna be breaking in the banana into the blender. Alright, so this is it, and now the next great ingredient is going to be yogurt. Now this is really you know, interesting. Mixing yogurt with banana is going to, you know, give you that lumpy, you know, look and all of that. So I'm going to be putting in the yogurt. Now you can put as much yogurt as you have, yeah. So this is it, and then we're also gonna be needing to use honey. Now honey is optional, but it is actually very important for this mix. Putting honey in this is just going to help to sweeten the taste. It's also going to help to, you know, have the work really effective. Okay, so I'm going to be putting a good quantity of the honey. Now to blend this, I'll have to be needing to use hot water. Okay, so I'll be pouring a little bit of hot water into it. and then I'll go blend it, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm done blending, and this is how it is, and I'm going to be grabbing a cup and then pouring it all into this cup. So now this is the first ingredient, this is the first mix of ingredients, and this is the second one. Now the first thing we're going to do here is that, so the first thing you're going to do here is that you're going to grab this mix, and then you're going to apply it on your back side just like this. Okay, you make sure that the bitter cola actually touches your back side, or wherever you want to increase that robustness fat, you apply it there, and then you scrub it really well. Scrub it really well, like you kind of massage it, okay, so that the bitter cola can actually penetrate into the skin. Can actually get into the skin. You scrub it at your back side, okay. Do not scrub it on your stomach, because this is literally going to get into your skin. So after you scrub it like that, then you can actually leave it on and put on your panties, yeah, and then leave it on there for like 1 hour or thereabouts, okay. That's how you're going to get the effectiveness of this. Now the thing is that you have to repeat this treatment, yeah, for you to get that utmost result. Now let me tell you how you're going to be using the next one. For this particular one, guys, you would have to drink this. You can drink this literally every day, okay, like every morning or every evening, to get that utmost result. And this is actually going to help you so much to boost the fat at the right places. When you take this, guys, your result is going to be really awesome. You're going to see the effectiveness of it, and you're going to be loving the aftermath result. Now you have to take this every day for the period of at least 1 month, and this particular one you can you can just mix it. It's not going to go bad. You can mix it and keep it in your bathroom or stuff, and then anytime you want to bathe, you just get inside. You can do this in the evening also. You can also take this in the evening at the comfort of your home, and that time that you have enough time to work with, okay. So you can apply this, rub it and leave it on, and then you take this, and you're gonna be loving it. You're going to be getting that fat at the right places. So your back side, your front side is going to get really huge, and you are going to be loving your results. So let me have a take of this smoothie, and I'm loving it. Okay guys, so this actually tastes really great, and with the honey and the banana, it's really yummy. So go try this out, give it a little time to work, and you're going to be loving your results. So that's it. It is as simple as that. And the first step, you apply, you just do just like I earlier said in the video, and this is actually going to help you so very much to get that bakasi, to get that fat at your buttocks, and also at your front side. Like if you want fat around that place, drink this. It's going to give you that healthy fat, and you're going to be looking smashed. Yeah, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Ciao.